Okay, guys. So welcome to one of the very first Zoom call, Sunday Zoom call for CoinTech2U. And I'm Simon Tran, and we have Vitali and Vilat. Okay, we really love to share with you something that we discover is using new technology on your Binance account and help you become a pro trader. Okay, so let's get to the slide. I will share a very short slide, and then we will have some sharing experience of some account like $100,000 account and $10,000 account, so that we have been using that for the last 1 month, and you will have some question and answer later on. Okay, so welcome to CoinTech2U. And what is CoinTech2U? It's basically nowadays a lot of people have many different things, many different ways to earn money in cryptocurrency, right? One of the way is trading, right? But not everybody know how to trade like a pro, right? So it's require a lot of experience and skill to manage your cryptocurrency trading, especially in future trading, right? Future trading is super high risk. Okay, so if you don't have experience, you shouldn't do it. But today we have a good news, because we discover a really good tool that helping you to trade on future on Binance and OKX. Okay, so right now the bot only can work on 2 exchanges, Binance and OKX, because of a certain function of the exchange allow us to use this strategy. All right, and yeah, AI is a tool to helping us to automate your trading on your future account on Binance and OKX. And CoinTech2U, they discover this strategy that I will explain to you later on. Is fully, how to say, I was surprised myself when I hear about this strategy, because they showing the last 6 months without any loss or without any loss trade. Okay, they open thousands and millions of trade, but every single trade end with profit. None of them end with a loss. All right, so how it works? It's very simple. If you already use AI bot or bot trading, you know that they just using the API key to connect the bot into your Binance account or OKX account, so that 24/7 automatically they will trading on your future account, right? And the bot is operating on a specific strategy or specific function on the exchanges, right? Is hedge trading, hedge mode. Okay, so hedge trading, basically understanding the easy way to understand, they buying long and short in the same time on the same asset, right? For example, on Bitcoin, they will open a long order and open a short order in the same time. Okay, and they will doing the hedge trade. And how that work later on will be more detailed. But to using this bot, a lot of people will asking, okay, how much is the bot? How we going to buy it? No, you don't need to buy the bot, and there's no subscription. Okay, but they will sharing profit, right? Basically, the bot will sharing profit with you, like 20% of whatever you earned. They will need you to pay that as a fee to filling the gas, like filling the gas for the bot. Imagine it's like somebody giving lending you let you use their Ferrari, right? All they ask you to do is fill up the gas, okay, and then you can drive the Ferrari, go wherever you want. All right, they don't need you to buy it, they don't need you to rent it, they just let you borrow it and use it. Just fill up the gas. All right, so that's how the bot doing, just pay for the gas. So when you start, all you need to do, the minimum you start the bot is $15. All you need to do is $15, open an account and put deposit $15 into the bot account, then you can start the trading. Okay, and when you make any profit on your Binance or OKX future account, you earn 80%, and 20% you will need to continue pay as the gas fee. Okay, for example, if the bot helping you to earn $1, you need to kind of pay back 20 cents, right? $10, $2, $100, $20, right? Simple. So that is one of the screenshot on the page. So all you need to do is deposit into the wallet. Okay, deposit into the wallet and keep it using the point. How it works? The point card system is, if you buy $100, okay, they will give you even a bonus of $20. If you're buying at $300, they will give you a bonus of $90. Okay, so that's how the point card system helping you to lower your fee. Like if you don't buy this point card, you need to pay 20% of whatever you earn. But if you buy this point card, you will pay less than 20%. Okay, so that is a promotion. We don't know how long this promotion will last. Okay, but for now, you can use this promotion to lower your fee. And very simple step. We will have even Vitaly already create some very simple video to help you connect your bot. So all you do is register a free account from the bot and download into your phone, right? Even on your laptop, you can go on the website to open the account. Okay, either download the app or open a web page to get into your bot. Okay, register account. And the second step is just fill up the gas, right? Minimum $15. But for our suggestion, minimum you buy $100. Okay, because when you buy $100, at least you get $20 bonus. So your fee will be lower. And the third step, you need to get into your Binance account and connect the API key with the bot. Okay, all this will be have tutorial videos that we will send it to you to help you do every single step. So don't worry about that. Okay, and the great thing about this bot is they also come with compensation to helping you even can make some money. If you love this tool, if you love this bot, you can share with your friends, right? And helping them to make money by themselves on their Binance account. And they have a very simple compensation. They divide it in A levels. Okay, A levels. Remember that I told you when you buy $100, you get $20 bonus, right? So if you introduce somebody and you are first become level 1, right? When you come in the bot register account, you are level 1. And if you introduce somebody, they buying $100, you will make 15% commission. So $15. Okay. So later on, when you refer to more people, like five people, they also register account, you become level 2. Okay. And now, if somebody is your direct referral, they pay $100, you will get 20%. Now you are level up, level 2, right? When you are level 3, you get 30%. When you are level 4, you get 40%. When you're level 5, 50, level 6, 55, and 60 and 65% when you reach to the highest level, level 8. So what if you're indirect, right? This is your direct commission. Okay, your direct commission. So when you indirect, it depends on your direct, what is the level. For example, I refer to Vitaly. Vitaly is my direct, right? If I am level 4, right? If I'm level 4 and Vitaly is level 3, and whatever I can earn from indirect from a Vitaly line is 10%, because I am 40 and Vitaly is 30. So that I just earn the difference, okay, between 40 and 30. That's how it is. It's very simple, okay? And this is the condition how you go up level, okay? How you reach to level 2, level 3. You see level 2, all you need is 5 directs, register account, become using the bot. Okay, and when you become level 3, you need to have a personal profit of 200. That means you already activate your bot, and the bot already making money for you, $200. Okay, already making $200 profit. So that is one of the requirements. And the second requirement, you need to have 10 directs who activate their bot. Okay, and third condition is you need to have 2 level 2 under you. Okay, and then the last condition, everybody under you, they need to make a $2,000 profit. That means all of your downline activate their bot and already making $2,000 altogether. Then you qualify for level 3. All right, and congratulations to Vilak, he already level 3. Okay, good job, guys. All right, so when you are level 3, not only when you 30% is your team reward. That means when you earn on your direct, you will earn 30%, right? Your indirect depend on their level, you will earn 30%. And the good thing is if your team also same level as you, right, you will earn a matching bonus. Like for example, if I'm level 3 and with Villa is also level 3, me and Villa is same level, so I cannot earn anything from him in team reward, but I can earn 3% whatever created in his team. Okay, the volume in his team, I earn 3% only. Okay, so that is very nice team bonus, right? Helping you to build team. Even though they are in the same level as you, you still have a small earning. Okay, so that's all the requirement. Later on, I will send this. We already send this presentation, so you just follow this requirement to reach your level. It's very simple. All right. So if you want to read more about CoinTech2U, you can go to the website CoinTech2U.com. Okay, and we have a Telegram channel, support channel. If you already a member and you need any help, you can come to this support channel. Okay, CT support, and you can ask all your questions there. And the company will have like 3 to 5 people all the time answering your question, helping you to fix your issue when you're facing any issue in your bot. You can come to the support channel of Telegram. Okay, so even when you want to send email, you can send email there. All right, so that is all the presentation. Now maybe let's starting with maybe I will try to share. Let Vitaly share first, because I need to have a small break. Okay, Vitaly, share what your experience the last 27 days. And if you can share your account, I believe all the members here will love to see it.
Sure.
Okay,
sure.
Vitaly, go ahead.
Hey, guys, welcome to the Zoom. I'm very happy to share with you my results and my experience with the bot. You know, it's really more to me a matter of how to help regular people around the world to earn with crypto without really, you know, having big risks and minimizing risks and maximizing profits. And there's really not many good opportunities out there to earn good profits while having minimum risk, you know, and that's what I really love about this strategy, as I will share with you. In this account, I started on the 1st of May. I'll show you here, see 28 winning days. If I click here on the P&L analysis, I'll show you the total profit on this account is $8,583. And you can see the total loss is $10. And I think it's really something with the fee in one day. I don't know. It's but it's, for me, it's like zero. So basically, every day was a profitable day. If I scroll all the way back to, say, last 90 days, I'll show you. Shows.
So Vitaly,
Yeah.
Basically, you can say that this bot is 100% win rate. Like you cannot lose with this kind of market. When there is no big jumps and drops, you can just keep sustaining and compounding and even doubling your profits.
Yeah, I'll share with you why I believe this is a pretty safe strategy. I cannot say that any kind of strategy is completely risk-free because it doesn't exist. Not a single strategy in the world, but it is relatively very low risk strategy while producing a high profits. This account was total deposits was $100,000 on this account. So you can say the profit so far, and we're not closing the months, is 8.5%, right? So that's realistically here. It was pretty much 100% winning days. The one that it shows here losing day is actually minus $10. I can.
I believe it's a finance fee, not the losing trade.
So it's not it was not a losing trade. It's on $100,000 account, minus $10 is really is nothing. It's not close a trade in a loss. It's actually a fee. So anyways, it's 100% win rate. And if you look at my account here with the including the unrealized P&L, is all the trades. I have 46 positions open here. It's less than 2% here. So overall, the total balance is 106,790, which is 6.8%. And we're not closed the months yet, so we'll see how we close the months. But that's net. If I close everything, if I close all the trades in the negative, which I will not do because those negative positions are required for the bot to make profits. That's how the bot makes the profits. But even if I close everything right now, I'm already up $6,800, and I paid for the gas $3,000. So that basically gives me, with the extra 20%, that gives me $25,000 in the profit. So until the bot makes $25,000 in the profit, I don't need to pay anything else for the gas, and I keep all the profits in the account. So that's another thing I love about this strategy and this opportunity, is that you always keep the money in your account. You do not give it to any third party, to a hedge fund or somebody else, a trader, to manage. Basically, you always have full transparency on all the trades and all of the transactions that is happening in your account. Now, how do you see that? When you click on the trade, and there is a transaction history over here, so you can see what actually the bot has been like position history, what it has been closing. So you can see right there in green, it means it's closing in a profit. So you can see this closed $3.60, $5.70, $27, $3, $12. So closes small profits, but a lot of them, and they're all in the green, right? So that's beautiful. That's what I love to see. Now, another thing you can notice here is on the right side, what is called account margin ratio. Account margin ratio means how much of the total account is being used for the trading, okay, relatively to how much available margin there is. So basically, the lower this percentage, the less risky the strategy is, the less risky in the position of the account. So I have here 0.69%. Do you know what it means, guys? 0.69%. It's insanely low risk number. If it was 50%, it will be somewhere in the yellow zone. If it were 70%, it was in the red zone. You know, wherever you are in the red zone, you are at risk of losing all your account, all your money. basically. If you are in a yellow zone, you are already in a danger. But when you are in the green zone, and this is like in the, if you look at the gauge, it's like not even moved in the green zone. It's like less than 1% in the green zone. That means your account is in a completely low risk strategy, that it uses very low capital for for basically for maintaining the margin, for maintaining all of these positions. And I have 46 positions, but if you look at the margin, this is $68, this is $70, this is $146, this is $70, $45. So the margin is not that big, right? And the margin is fairly small. And on some positions, the margin is bigger because it reached more of the orders on that position. So for example, this right here is CHZ. So the entry price is 0.1 something. Now it's okay, because the moment that it goes to the other direction, it's going to close this long position at a big profits. And that's exactly what this bot is designed to do. For the first time in the crypto trading, it's possible to do the hedge mode, to trade both long and short at the same time. It was not possible a couple of years ago. Now it is possible. So if you were in 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, you will not be able to make this strategy. There is no such a thing as trading on leverage with the same coin, long and short. It didn't exist on any exchange. This fairly recently added to this type of a hedging mode, has been added as a position mode here on Binance. And this hedge mode, together with the multi-asset mode strategy, allows for the operation for the bot. So the moment that Binance has been allowing those two modes, this type of a bot started to be developed, and it's been tested for a year before launching it to the public. And now since November, it's been out in the public, people are using it. So I was impressed when I saw that Baha from Malaysia, he basically has 6 months of a track record with no losing day, and he was adding every day to the account, right? He was, whatever he is earning, he was adding more and more. He started with $900 and grew this account to $200,000 in 6 months. It's absolutely impressive what he has done. Now, to be fair, I don't like to exaggerate things, and I like to keep them real and how they are, okay? So if you come here and expect the bot to make 30-40% a month for you, then it's not likely to happen, because if you want to make 30-40% a month, the bot has to be subject to much higher risks for the trading if you want to make those type of returns, right? The higher the capital that you have, as much as you want to make profits, it's much more important for you to not lose money in the account. And the preservation of capital and minimizing your risks is much more important with good money management than trying to maximize as much as possible from the market the gains. If the bot can generate for you 10% a month consistently, that's absolutely a gold mine. In this type of environment where holding any cryptocurrency can get you down by 50%. Like that's what most people do. They buy high and they sell low. They panic sell. They make so many mistakes in trading. And this bot is designed for people that professional traders or completely beginners, it doesn't matter, because this strategy can work for everyone, and it's completely hands-off and automated, and requires very little maintenance. Sometimes occasionally to twitch it a little bit for the positions of the coins to allow for compounding, but it's fairly safe strategy. You can see right here the liquidation price is very high compared to the entry price. So for example, the price of Atom is $10, but the liquidation price is $297,142. So it is absolutely safe. So it's not likely to ever be liquidated, any of these accounts. It's so far away from the market price that sometimes Binance even put two lines there, okay, that basically the position
impossible.
risk that it's not even possible to calculate this, right? I like the design of the slides, Simon. I would say that we need to keep working on it to make it better. There is also some inaccuracies in that presentation. For example, on one of the slides, it was about artificial intelligence. Guys, this has nothing to do with artificial intelligence. This has everything to do with algorithmic intelligence, okay? It's totally different thing. Artificial intelligence is when you use like a ChatGPT type of engine that combines all this analysis from all these different sources and data and give you in a conversational language or stuff like that he can create for you. This is algorithm, pure algorithm. It means that it's coded in a way that the moment you set it up, it is goes long and short at the same time, and basically it starts working immediately. It doesn't need to wait for anything. It starts working immediately and goes according to the algorithm to increase the long or increase the short or positions, or when to close the positions. It has all of this algorithm built in inside to ensure that the bot is trading within the Binance guidelines and rules, and also to to make sure that it is minimizing the risks as much as possible and to maximize the profits. I'm very happy with the results of the first months. So I think I'm going to be adding much more capital here to allow for bigger profits in the coming months, because I see it is a fairly low risk strategy. While it's not like doubling your money in a month, but I don't need that, because you need to be you need to understand that whenever you try to try to get a big profits, that also comes with much bigger risks as well, right? So it's much better to have this longevity, to have this stability of growing bit by bit, and the power of compounding. If you divide 28, how much is that? Like if you divide 8,000, what was the profit that I've seen? 8,583 divided by 28. One more time. Wait a second. 306.
$306 every day.
Yeah, divided by 100,000. So basically, it's roughly 0.3%. Guys, if you make 0.3% a day and you compound month after month, you're gonna get rich. You're gonna get
crazy
rich eventually. That's the beauty of it. If you compound at this rate for 2 years, even if you start with $10,000, I'll give you an idea. Let's open up the calculator. So 10,000, let's say $10,000, and you make 9% a month. So within 12 months, if you $10,000 multiply by 1.09, at the, like this is 12 months, okay? It's 28,000. But you continue like this another year, and 79,000. Now let's continue another year. $222,000.
3 years.
3 years. Yeah. And that's
3
with
years,
that's with
22 times.
Yep. I think I need to jump on another call here. Just 1 second. Can you take it, Simon?
Yep. Okay. Thank you, Vitali, for sharing. And next, I will share with you how the strategy worked. Okay, guys. So why this bot was so successful? Okay. How the strategy worked? Do you still see my whiteboard, Villa? Whiteboard is good, right? So when you start a strategy, they will open up, for example, one long and one short order. Okay. So for example, they will starting making a long order for $10 and a short order for $10, right? For example, we're buying on whatever cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, right? From this price, like for example, this price is $26,000, right? Something like that. Okay. So when they buying one short and one long, and the price going up, okay, going up and up and up and up, and when the price reach certain point and come down, okay, come down to here, like when the price go up to here, what is winning? The long order is winning. Okay, when the long order winning around in future, right, 20 to 80%. Okay, in future, if the long order is winning 20 to 80%, right, they will make a profit. Okay, they will make a profit, and in the same time, the short order is losing. Okay, because they open two order in the same time, right? So one win is one loss. So what the bot will do to helping us continue to make profit, when they reach here, what they do, they take profit on the long order, right? Because when went up, the long order win 20%. Okay, the short orders now is losing 20%. What they do is when the price rebounds here, okay, right, reverse a little bit, reverse about 0.3%. Okay, they will do the profit. They take profit, and what they do is they will add another $20 on the short order. Okay, and they open another long order for $10. Okay, a new $10 long, and add up $20. So the price was from here when they start the short, right? And now because they add up 20, the average price to take profit on the short will be here. You see that? And if the price not going down, right, keep going up, and boom, come back here. What happened? The price continue to go up, and the long order one more time making about 20%. The bot will take profit on the long, and what they do, they add $40 to the short. Okay, so the average pricing here, this is the average price, right? Average price to make profit on short. Now the average price will come up here. You see that? For the price of the short to make profit, all they need to do is come down. So now, what happened to the price? If the price go up and come down again, what they do? Right? Again, they take profit on the long, and they add up another short order. This is what they call the martingale, right? martingale strategy. They add up, and now the average price is come up here for the short, right? And now the price reversed down here. Okay, when the price reversed down here, what happened? Now the short is taking profit. Understand, guys? Now the short is taking profit for the short order. Now the long order will negative. What happened? They will add up $20 on the long, and they open another short order for $10. And then all over again. You see? All over again. So the short and long, short and long, short and long, just like that. Whatever side is losing, they will add up martingale. Okay, martingale, martingale, martingale. Okay, so if the come up down here, okay, what happened? The short will make profit, and then the long will add up $40. All the time when the price is average price here, and when the price go back up, okay, what happened? Now the long is taking profit. Okay, the long is taking profit, and the short is add up another time. You see that? So just keep going like that. You see, keep going like that. One long, one short. Okay, because the short is losing, they add up. The long is taking profit, they open a new order. So all the time, moving up or down, the bot will make money. The more they moving, the more money the bot can make for you. Okay, that's how crazy, and that's how the strategy work and making money every single day for you. And the good thing is, like Vitaly already showing to you, they are not only trading on one cryptocurrency, not only one asset. If you have $10,000, they will trade on 20 different assets, right? For Vitaly, $100,000, they will trade on 22 different cryptocurrency. So the risk is even smaller and smaller. So Vitaly already showing you the risk for Vitaly account is only 0.69%. 0.69%. It's super, super low risk, because this strategy you don't lose. Okay, it's already proven the last 6 months, no single loss trade. No single loss trade. Okay, why Vitaly was having a negative $10 on one day? Because at the beginning, when your position is not strong enough, the fee of Binance may even more than, on that day, the fee on Binance may even more than whatever the profit they make. That's why he had negative $10. Okay, but the longer the bot going, there's no chance for them to losing this fee. Okay, fee of Binance fee. So that is the reason. Somebody asking the question, why have $10 lose, right? Because the fee of Binance, because Binance have the transaction fee and the funding fee. Okay, let me do one last thing. Sharing my $10,000 account. You will more understand on this. Okay. Oh, let me first. Sorry, give me one more second. Okay, co-host. Okay, now I can share. All right. Okay, you can see my account now. Okay. All right, so this is my Binance account. So you can see, I also have same like Vitaly, because me and Vitaly almost the same time. I only opened the bot like 3 days earlier than Vitaly. So mine was having a $3. You see that? $3.4 loss on one of the day. but that is not a losing trade. Okay, it's only the fee. Same like Vitali. Vitali have a bigger account, so his fee is more than my fee. That's why he was losing $10 on that day, and I only losing $3.49. But you can see my profit this month is $1,883, and my account is 10,000. I start with 10,000. Okay, now I only 3 days more than Vitali, but my account will perform a little bit better. Every single account performance is a little bit different. Okay, it's never exactly the same, but the longer you go, right, all the account will become more the same percentage. Okay, I would say every month 10% average. If you have a capital of $10,000, you will have 10% very easy. Okay, because on my account exactly 1 month, I will show you my deposit, because this is my another account. I just use it. You see, so on the 27th of April, I deposit exactly 10,000 just for using for this bot. Okay, only $10,000 just for this bot. So now you can see on the screen. So total profit was $1,969. Okay, right? But they have some folding, just like Vitali told you, right? His account have more than $2,000 floating. This floating, some people consider is a loss, but it's not a loss. Okay, it's floating loss. If you stop everything right now, if I stop everything right now, yes, this will be a loss. Okay, if I stop everything right now, the $442 will be a loss. But I don't close everything right now, and this losing floating loss will helping me to make money every single day. Okay, floating, exactly, Andrew's answer. Floating is good because this bot needs folding. A little bit like 5 to 10% folding is super healthy. Okay, super healthy. 5 to 10% folding is super healthy. Okay, as long as they don't floating more than 30% is good. Okay, anything lower than 30% is still good. Okay, but normally this bot have only 5%, 10% folding is super healthy. So helping you to make money. So you can see all the trade is happening for me, right? Every single day.
Simon,
okay?
Sorry
Yep.
for interrupting you. Can you hear me?
Yep. Go ahead.
So in 30 working days, you made 1,529 profit.
Exactly.
You did. Yeah, you didn't add any funds. Yeah.
No, I didn't add any money, and actually, it's not only 1,500. The profit actually is 1,969. Okay.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
If I close everything, I will lose this floating. But if I don't close, this floating is still my capital.
This is actually 20% almost.
Yeah, almost 20%.
So it depends really on the market. So people want to make 20%. People were asking. People were asking me all the time. Yeah, but you say it's 20% or from 1 to 7% a day. No, guys, this is a trading. This is a crypto.
Real trading.
Real trading. This is a crypto market. It's so unpredictable. We don't know which direction will go Bitcoin and any coin. So you cannot expect 20% every month, but you can see that it's possible. Like let's say conservative, it will be 8 to 10% minimum a month, but it can go
anything lower than $10,000 capital. If you do like $5,000, will be 8% to 15%, right? But if you put $10,000, it will be, I would say, 10 to 20%. That will be reasonable.
the better.
Like I just want to finally, and before the question and answer, I just want to add something. Like Victoria already pointing out, why we so love this bot or this project, because first, your money always in your Binance or OKX account, your own account. Nobody can withdraw your money. Okay, you control 100% your own money. It's a lot more better for you to go join any other like MLM company, right? So myself, I join many MLM projects. Okay, I still promote some other project, but for something that is very safe, right? You control your own money. This is very good tool, right? Super good tool that we found.
Exactly. And Simon, I want also to add, leaders coming to me and to try to compare some platforms that are 1 year old, you know, some websites, some brokers, and they say, yeah, but Binance can disappear tomorrow. You know, then let's say all the banks can disappear tomorrow. You know, we can say the same, because Binance is the biggest crypto bank in the world, the biggest.
Yep.
So let's be realistic. I have more trust in Binance than any other platforms that people are offering today.
Yep. Like Vitaly already say, anything in cryptocurrency, we cannot say that this is guaranteed 100% risk-free. No, there's not single thing is 100% risk-free in the world, for especially anything in crypto, right? Even somebody will say, even Bitcoin can become zero tomorrow. Who knows? Okay, who knows? Okay, but the possibility is so low. Okay, that's all I can say. The possibility for Bitcoin become zero is so low, and at the same time, for Binance to collapse or for Binance to be completely closed down, the percentage is so low. Okay, if Binance closed down, oh my God, this crypto market will be boom. Everything will boom. No more cryptocurrency. Okay, because Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency trading, trusting by hundreds of millions of people. Not only you and me, hundreds of millions of people using Binance. So, guys, if you already in cryptocurrency, this type of risk you have to take. Okay, it's so low. All right. But the next thing is, hey, your money in your pocket, right? And the good thing is you can share this tool to make affiliate commission. It's not a lot of money. I can tell you, if you compare to many other cryptocurrency project, of course, the commission is not the most attractive, but at least you are confident you are not going to being scammed by the project, because they don't hold your money. So there's never a chance for this project to scam. That's all I can say. All right. And if you want all those like high percentage, like so many projects pay you 1% a day, but guys, the last 1 week already closed down like almost 5 projects like that. Okay, the last 5 days closed down 5 projects, pay you 1% a day, millions and millions of dollar loss. Why?
Every day. Every day are closing projects that are paying like a 1% like a day and more. Guys, just last thing, it's very important why we're here, all here today. I've been knowing Simon since 2018, 2019. We've been going through, we made money, we lost money, but we still keep our relationship. I still like this guy, I respect him, you know. I know it's nobody's fault when projects disappear, but I've been away from online marketing and crypto investments. I've been away from this industry for quite a time, you know, like 3 years, because I've been new, you know, I've done some mistakes, you know, but one thing I know, I always believed in any company that I was doing. Like I always wanted the best for me, my closest ones, my friends, and my business partners. And when everything fall apart, and that's hurted the most. The most, what hurts a leader when his close one, his people who believed, trusted him, they're losing what they have put it. So I decide after 3 years, like recovering, gaining back my, energy, realizing and understanding the whole business industry to do this time things right. Like we're coming, I don't understand why leaders, after being scammed so many times, they're still chasing the high percentage, like 1% a day, like they want 20%, 30%, like fix every day. In this business, especially in crypto market, that's not possible. If someone guarantee you some percentage a day or monthly, that's 100% scam. We've been there with so many times. But the most important is we've done mistakes. But the most important is not do the same mistakes today again. Or else, what did we learn? Are we that stupid to lie and fool people and mislead them? No, we've done mistakes. We keep our mistakes in the past, and we come here to do things right. Because me personally, I never promote any scam on purpose. Anytime I feel something is wrong, I withdraw. I say, guys, we made some money, let's get out. Don't get greedy. Like number one rule in investment is don't invest more than you can lose. Second rule, very important, is don't get greedy. Because every time I've seen, like many times, people get greedy and they lose millions of dollars.
Correct.
So guys, you're in the right time, in the right place, with the right people. I have so much love and respect to Simon Tran. I have so much love and respect to Vitaly Dubin. This is the leaders for me. I look up to you and I want to follow and I want to work. There are so many leaders that are not leaders for me personally. So thanks a lot. That was everything I wanted to say. Amazing presentation. We'll try to do these presentations once a week.
Yep.
And let's keep it up. I think we have amazing tool in our hands, and we should use it. We should use it. We should share it. But let's be cautious. Let's be smart, and let's not use it with, how you say, with consciousness.
For sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Only risk what you can lose. Exactly. First rule. Okay, guys. Any question? Any question? Eugene, is Eugene still here? Eugene was having a question. I think Eugene was there. Okay, no problem. But anybody have any question, we can do a Q&A and helping you to understand more. And then we will also having more and more video that created by me and Vilat and Vitaly for tutorial. And also we will do some actually Q&A video that many people asking the question. We will answer in recorded video, and then we will share with you in the channel that Vilat is using and many other channels. Okay. So
another thing, just want to add. Sorry, guys.
Sure.
I want you to understand we're not doing this for the commissions. We earn enough money from our own money from the trading. The commissions here are not like that's why many leaders they're asking me, oh, how much is the compensation plan? That's not interest to me. Let's go and promote another scam. Yeah, good job, bro. Good job, until all your following and all your partners just run away from you and leave you. Yeah, you continue to promote another scam. So we're not doing it from the commissions. We actually been looking for a tool like this, opportunity like this, from the beginning.
From our own,
I would say.
Yeah. We need that tool, right? We ourselves is someone that need to use this tool, right? Me, Vitaly, and Vilat, we are putting like big money in it because we know the tool can help us to create income every single month. Hey, that is all we already need, right? But if we share, we make a little small commission, that's all our work worth it. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Andrew. You have any question or any comment you can share with us?
Yeah, hey Simon.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Cool. No,
Go
I just got the question right because I'm just comparing P&Ls for this month. I think this month is rather slow for everyone. I think.
Yeah.
10% you say so far? I'm only about at 7% so far.
Yeah, it's the all depend on not only just the month, but all depend on your entry points, right? So the bot doesn't really need you to enter in a perfect point because everybody can get start the bot anytime. But all I can say when you using this bot, let the bot have more time frame. Okay, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, then that is what we see the growing, because they need to build up the position. They need to build up those floating loss, right?
Yeah,
because
understood.
those position, when they come back to the other direction, that is a time you make a lot of money. Okay, so
Yeah.
it's all about building up the position. Okay,
Yeah.
after the first month, all I will say, the first month, just consider you don't make any money. The first month is letting the bot to build up the position. The
Yeah,
second
you guys have
month
to make
is
the money
actually,
to
yeah,
pay the gas fees
exactly.
for the bot, right? To buy the points.
Exactly. The second month is actually the time that you making profit.
Yeah.
The first month is all maybe only enough for you to earn the fee to pay the bot. Okay. The second month, everything is earning. Everything is earning. Okay.
Yeah.
That is what I suggest people looking at it. Don't you need a little bit patient on the first month. Some people say, oh, I start the bot. The bot saying I'm making $100, but actually if I close all the order, I actually losing $50. A lot of people asking those questions. Yes, if you only start for 5 days, 10 days, you may, if you stop everything, you may be even lose money. But you shouldn't like stop at that time, right? The bot need the time to build up the position. So all I tell people, keep the bot at least 1 month, right? Same like with Tally, right? Keep the bot at least 1 month, and then after that you will see the profit coming. The first month is the time to pay for the bot. Okay, let the bot take the profit. We taking profit after the first month. The second month, third month, all the time. Then we're taking good
Yeah,
profit.
absolutely. You have to be patient, guys. I'm back here in the Zoom.
Hey, Vitaly.
Have to be patient in the game of wealth building. Otherwise, if you chase for the how to get rich quick and how to multiply the fastest the money, that's the big recipe for how you can lose all the money. I have one guy that says, oh, I put it in the bot $46,000. I only make $3,000 in 10 days. It's too slow. Let me put this money where it pays 1% a day. Okay, go for it, but don't complain to me that you lose all of your money.
Yeah.
That's the thing, that people want to make more profits, but they forget about the risks that the side of that.
That's true. That's true.
I can go right now into the Bybit platform, and I can put a 20x leverage with all my money, and maybe double it within the next 24 hours.
Exactly.
But if I do it, I have a huge chance, a very big chance, that I just lose everything.
Right.
So you can go to the casino, you can gamble everything, and you can double your money in 1 minute. You can do that
on one gamble, right?
on one gamble. Yeah. But you can also
lose it or win
it.
Very good. You just mentioned, sorry, that this is not a gamble. We have a algorithm, like very smart algorithm. Like some people I see play with algorithm to make more money. Yeah, you can do that, but it's a high risk again that you're taking. I would say this is not a gamble. This is like real business, and we are in serious real
The
business
strategy
that everyone can profit.
There is a strategy behind this. There is a strategy. There is an algorithm. It's coded in a certain way. It's been proven with a very long track record already that it can handle all kinds of market conditions. Right now, we didn't see it yet in a full blown like a bull market when everything goes crazy up, you know, like insanely up, and all the coins with very few corrections. We have not seen the bot act in those type of environments, which we'll see more closer to 2025, right?
Yeah.
But I would say that until this time, you know, if the bot doubles, triples your money, and you feel like a very insane bull market is coming, for example, that is unreasonable, and sometimes the markets can be very unreasonable, like the coin can double, triple within a very short period of time. That's unreasonable. I mean, I'm talking about a big market cap coin, to, let's say, Ethereum to double, triple quickly, right? So basically it can happen. So my suggestion is, you know, that whatever you're comfortable with, if the bot until 2024 has done you and double your money, and you don't feel comfortable to risk the double amount of money, then take out your capital from Binance futures, secure the profits, and then you are absolutely risk-free, right? And even if the bot is not going to perform as we want in a crazy, insane bull market rage, because we need to see that, how he's going to perform. But he already covered, until this time, we're not there yet. The market is not going to behave insanely in the next year and a half. It's going to be more or less up and down in the next year and a half, and that's perfect for this bot. When we're going to see parabolic moves upwards, crazy, insane moves, that's when I want to see how this bot is going to perform, you know. But we're not there yet.
Cool.
And in the same time, the bot have still a couple other strategy, and we working with Baha. He's also following a lot of different strategies. So we will, like, all the time doing this Zoom and keep more training. And me myself also try to like messing around the bot a little bit to find more strategy to helping everybody to really profit. Even like Vitali say, when the bull market come, how we going to use the bot to really manage to make more money on that time. We will see. Right now, like Vitali say, we still have 1 year to testing the bot and using the bot and making money in the same time. And hey, we may find more strategy from the bot, because a lot of things we can fix in the bot. It's not only like you hit the button and they will start exactly the same for everybody. Everybody can do a little bit adjustment, okay? But follow the formula, at least follow the formula in this time. Then if you lose, the good thing is the bot also pay you insurance. If you follow exactly the formula that they giving to us, like, then if you have a loss, they give you back like 30% on your lost trade. Okay. So hey, that is like beautiful. If you're doing future trading, who's going to pay 30% back to you? And the good thing is you only lose on one trade, not all the trade, right? So it's most likely you will not lose anything.
That's true. That's true.
Simon, we have a you done with the Adrian? Adrian, you have more questions?
Just one more. Let us.
Yeah.
I think
sure.
I'd just like to ask. It's about 8%, right, for the first order?
8%. All your first order all together is 8% of your capital.
Yep.
And this 8% is they calculate on the spot, is on the spot money. Like for example, your first order is they put in $10. Actually, that $10 divided by 20 is only 50 cents.
Yep. 20
What
points,
is
right?
activate in your Binance, okay? So how they calculate 8% is all your order, the first order on spot money together is 8% of your capital.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's right. So
but actually, if you are using 8% divided by 20, so it's only starting with your capital is 0.04% of your total capital.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's super small. Okay.
Cool.